Ready na ang ating room. I have the key card with me. So let me give you a room tour. So pagpasok nyo, ang unang bubungan sa inyo ay makikita nyo so silipin naman natin dito then dito naman Hi guys! This is your Mommy Cat and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, nandito tayo ngayon sa Joy Nostalgia Hotel. Ito sa may Ortigas, malapit sa Podium at SM Mega Mall. Nandito kami ngayon para mag-staycation kasama ang mga bagets and also to claim our Stay Plus free night kasi nag-member kami ng Accor Plus dito sa Joy Nostalgia. The last time we stayed here, we paid around 11,990 pesos, I think. I will be talking more about the membership benefits later at the end of the video. But for now, if you want to see what the room looks like, then please keep on watching. Okay, so ready na ang ating room. I have the key card with me. So let me give you a room tour. So nandito tayo sa may 15th floor at ang room number natin ay 1506. Okay, so pasok na tayo sa room natin. Okay, so pagpasok nyo, ang unang bubungan sa inyo ay ang living area, dining area, and ang kitchen. So, dito sa side ng kitchen na to, may ref, microwave, rice cooker, and bread toaster. So, silipin natin ang ref. Malaki siya guys, marami na kayong mailalagay dito. Yan. Pwede niyong i-store ang mga food and palamigin ang drinks niyo. Then, ito naman ang microwave nila where you can heat up your food. Ayan. Ito naman ang rice cooker and bread toaster. Then, over here, may mga drawers. So, tignan natin kung anong laman. So, dito meron silang fork, spoon, knife, and teaspoon. Then, dito naman meron silang tong and can opener. Ito naman meron silang chopping board and knife. And ito, wala. Extra space lang. Then, may mga cabinets din sila dito sa may taas. Ayan, where you can store more of your stuff. Then, dito naman sa side na to, meron silang oven, coffee machine, and electric kettle. And of course, may gas stove. So, pwede kayong magluto dito guys ha. Then, meron na rin silang kitchen utensils na ganito. They also have an oven. So, pwede kayong mag-bake and mag-roast dito. Siyempre, meron silang complimentary tea and coffee. Ayan, so ang tea nila ay Dilma. Meron silang Earl Grey, chamomile, breakfast tea, pure green tea, and ground coffee. Ayan, pwede nang gamitin dito sa coffee brewing machine. Then of course, meron silang creamer, brown sugar, and white sugar. Ayan. Then dito, ano kayang laman nito? Wala. Nandyan lang yung exhaust. Then dito naman, meron silang ayan, mga plates, bowls, 2 coffee mugs, wine glasses, water glasses, and a glass pitcher. And then, dito naman sa area na to, andyan ang sink and more storage, I guess. Silipin natin kung ano yan. Ooh, dishwasher pala to guys. Very nice. Then, dito naman ay more storage. Ay, ito, hindi pa natin nasilip to. Ah, okay. And meron silang ano dito, oh, pots and pans. So, kompleto na sila, guys. Wala na kayong kailangan dalhin. Then, I guess, syempre, kung kulang, for example, 4 kayong nakabook dito, you can request for additional plates and glasses. Over here naman, we have the sink. Ayan, so may provided na dish, soap, then sponge, then may filter ang kanilang faucet. Drinkable kayong water. May notes sila dito, guys. Basahin natin. Dear guests, we would like to let you know that the hotel no longer provides amenities with single-use plastic packaging such as bottled water. Don't worry, our water goes through a 2-step filtration process, making it safe for drinking. Oh, I see. Okay, so drinkable na nga yung tubig dito. Perfect. Very, very nice. Ayan ang kanilang filter. Ang Evo C151. Okay. So, dito naman, from this point of view, makikita nyo ang salas, dining area, and dandun banda ang bedroom. Pero for now, silipin muna natin kung ano meron dito sa mga cabinets na to. So, dito ay ang washing machine. Ayan, perfect. Pwede kayo mag-laundry dito. Tapos, saan nyo isasampay? I guess siguro may dryer na to. Ayan, may dryer na nga siya. Okay. Front load pa yung washing machine, no? Ganda. Then, dito naman, ang storage area for your shoes. Ayan, may ilaw pa sa loob ng cabinet. Nice. Then, dito naman, pwede kayo mag-hang ng jackets or coats nyo. Dito yung shoes nyo. Ayan. Madami. Madami siyang lagayan, guys. Then, dito naman sa my left side, andito ang round dining table with 4 chairs. Ayan, so pwede kayo dito mag-breakfast or coffee in the morning. Then, ito yung kitchen. Dito naman, merong cabinet with a lamp. Dumating ang asawa at anak ko, guys. Sila yung nag-doorbell kanina. Okay, so ituloy na natin ang room tour. Merong ditong cabinet where you can put more of your things. Ayan. Then, dito may table lamp. May mirror accent on the wall. Then, over here, we have a side table. Ayan, ang cute kasi meron din siyang ganito. Ganda rin ng lamp. Then, yung light naman dito sa may dining area, ganito ang style. Very nice. Then, over here, we have the sofa, the center table, at ang aking asawa. Hi, Dad! Then, here we have a painting na may magandang light. Then, dito naman, may lounge chair. Yan, perfect dyan mag-chill sa umaga. Then, we have another side table here with a lamp. Ito naman yung standing lamp. Then, over here, we have a office or work or study table. Then, dito naman ang TV. Ito mga gamit namin, hindi pa namin naayos. Ayan. Dito naman ang ating view. Ayan, may construction site. By the way, malapit pala dito, guys, ang Podium at SM Mega Mall. Ayan, so silipin naman natin dito ang bedroom. So, pagpasok niyo sa bedroom, ayan, kumuha kami ng extra bed. So, ang payment ng extra bed costs 1,500 without breakfast. Pero kung gusto nyo na may kasamang breakfast, it costs 2,000 pesos. Yan, so parang nag-add lang kayo ng 500 pesos for the breakfast buffet. Okay, so over here we have a side table with a lamp, night lamp. Ayan, may telephone dyan. Dyan yung remote ng TV. Then, ito yung bed. Ang ganda ng bed. Ano to, Dad? King size ba to o California King?
California King.
Oh, California King size bed. Then we have here a sitting area in front of the bed. Of course, another side table over there with a night lamp. And storage. Ayan. Then we have here a human being hiding behind the curtains. Ayan. Here is my daughter. Ayan, ang view natin from the bedroom. Hi, darling. Hello. Then, ito naman ang TV. Yan, dito nila sinet up yung extra bed kasi we are 3 adults and 1 child. Ito naman ang dresser. Then, ito naman ang anak kong panganay. Nag-online classes. Hi, Yana. How do you like the place so far?
Very maganda po. 5 star.
5 star, di ba? Maganda siya.
Opo.
Very clean. Yan, ikaw anak, how do you find Joy Nostalgia so far? You like it? Up here. Okay. So, ito naman, meron tayong standing lamp. Ayan. Then, here we have, how do you call this? Full-size mirror. And more mirrors here on the side. Then, yung storage ng mga clothes nyo. Ay, ito yung side na kung saan nyo pwedeng ihang yung mga clothes nyo. What I like about this is that it has light inside. So, you can see your things very well. Ayan, meron din siyang storage dito sa taas. Then, ano to? What's this? Oh, it's a flashlight. Emergency flashlight. Tama ba? I guess so. Ayan. Then, silipin natin tong kabilang area. Ayan, dito meron silang vault, plancha, then bedroom slippers, then meron din silang laundry basket, very nice, para hindi nakakalat ang mga dirty clothes, ano? Ayan, then ito mga drawers, paano to? Ayan, drawers for your small things, or small clothing items like your socks and underwear. Ayan. And then dito naman ay ang iron board. Ayan. So may iron board. And here's the full-size mirror. Hi! Then dito naman ang bathroom. Ang favorite part namin pag nagsastay kami sa hotel. Ayan, so they have here on the right side a rain shower. Malinis siya, guys. Provided ng bath gel, conditioner, and shampoo. Then you can put your stuff here. Then, dito naman sa may left side ang toilet bowl. And provided na rin ng towels, of course. As you can see, it is very clean. May bathtub. Ayan. May binili akong bath bombs para dyan, para mag-enjoy kami mamaya ng mga bagets maligo sa bathtub. Then, may TV o ang bongga, diba? While you're having your bath or soaking in the bathtub, you can watch TV. Then, of course, merong big mirror and his and her sink. So, tingnan natin kung anong complimentary stuff nila. So, they have a shower cup, sanitary bag, and cotton tips. And soap. Ayan. Kasi yung shampoo tsaka yung conditioner and bath gel nandyan na sa loob. Then, tignan natin kung anong view natin dito. Ayan, silipin natin. Another building. Alright. So, that's it for the bathroom tour muna. Later, kakain tayo sa may Mega Mall or sa Podium. Sasama ko rin kayo doon. Hi guys! So, papunta tayo ngayon sa Mega Mall kasi mag-ice skating ang mga bagets. At kakain na rin kami ng dinner. Nandun lang ang... Saan ba? Ayun ang Joy Nostalgia. Tapos, ito ang Mega Mall. Excited ka na ba?
Yes.
Gutom ka na? Hindi po. Hindi pa. O, mag-ice skating muna kayo, tapos saka na tayo mag-dinner. Sige po. Alright. Yan guys, so nandito na tayo sa may ice skating. Ayan yung ice skating ring. Bumibili na si Yana ng ticket for later. Kaso guys, mamaya pa sila makakapag-skating kasi ang next time slot ay ang 7:30 to 8:30. It's currently 6:05. Ang rates ng ice skating ay 350 pesos for Monday to Friday for 2 hours and 399 pesos for weekends. Then ang day pass naman for Monday to Friday ay 550, 699 naman pag weekends or holiday. Ayan guys, so habang inaantay natin ang time slot ng mga bata para sa ice skating, nandito muna tayo sa may food court dito sa Mega Mall. At tumitingin ako ng pagkain dito sa may Wolf Link. Ayan. Yung mga bata naman gustong kumain sa Frankie's. Ayan sila nakapila. So itong Wolf Link, meron silang wood smoked sausage and meats. Ayan yung mga siniserve nila dito. Ang kinuha ko dito ay 3 little piggies. Ayan. Malalaki yung mga serving nila dito. Kung ano yung nakikita nyo dito na naka-display, ganyan din daw yung actual serving. So ito, spam daw to. Pure pork na spam. Anong klaseng sausage to, miss?
Ano ma'am? Homey fully bought. Hindi po siya yung, katulad ng mga sausage siya.
Homemade. Galing naman. Then itong patty.
Ano siya ma'am? Sausage patty po siya.
Sausage patty. Okay. So itong 3 little piggies costs, magkano to? 350 pesos.
Only gravy na rin po.
Only gravy na rin daw. Okay. Kumuha din ako ng drinks nila guys. So meron silang iba't ibang klaseng drinks like this Happily Ever After potion. Ano siya? Lemon. Then itong Wolf Tea ay brewed black tea with calamansi. Then itong Shrek potion. Ang cute ng name, no? Cucumber naman siya. Okay. So thank you. Ito na ang food natin guys. Then, ito yung drink na kinuha ko. Yung Wolf Tea na brewed black tea with calamansi. Tapos, only gravy daw sila. So, ang nagastos ko dito, in total ay 350 pesos yung food. Then, yung drinks, 80 pesos. Yan. So, kain na tayo. Ito naman ang in-order ni Bunso. Ayan. So, boneless chicken na premium na Parmesan flavor. Then, water. Ayan. So, may Frankie's yan, guys. Kain na! Okay, kain na tayo, guys. Tikman na natin to. So, ito yung sinasabi nilang pure... Ay! Sayang! So, ito yung sinasabi nilang pure pork na spam. Okay, so tikman na natin. Sarap siya. Parang siyang parang makapal na bacon. Thickly sliced bacon. Then ito naman, yung sausage patty. Subukan natin. Sarap din. Parang ano, may pagka-similar sa taste ng sausage patty ng breakfast ng McDonald's. Pero mas masarap to. Ito naman ang egg. At ito yung homemade sausage. Very juicy. Ayan. Sarap guys. Kakaiba siya. Hindi siya yung ordinary sausage or yung mga nabibiling mga parang premium sausages sa grocery. No, it's really different. You can really say that it's homemade. So, masarap talaga siya. So, all in all, I rate it 9 over 8 over 10. Tapos may kasama siyang only gravy. Try naman natin ngayon itong Wolf Link Wolf Tea Brewed Black Tea with Calamansi. Kung may mga naririnig kayo nagre-rate ng mga outfit sa likod, mga anak ko yan. Ano ba yung mga? Okay lang. Okay lang. Ang in-order naman ni Yana ay, ano yan? Ball katsu na, anong flavor?
Katsu. Regular rice po.
Okay. Kain na. Yan guys, pupunta na sila sa ice skating rink. I think you can, line up for shoes na. Bye-bye! Enjoy! Love you guys! Hi guys! So, nandito kami ngayon sa ano to, Dad? Coffee Bean? Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf habang inaantay sila Yana and Daniel matapos mag-ice skating. So, magmamerienda muna tayo. Ayan. Ano to, Dad?
Garlic parmesan also.
Garlic parmesan bread. And matcha kinuha mo, no, Dad? Matcha latte. And kanina bumili ako ng glasses. Kasi gusto ko, 3 kami ng mga anak ko na naka-glasses mamaya. Ayan. Nakuha ko siya ng 479 pesos. Coffee muna tayo. Ayan guys, pabalik na kami sa ice skating ring para sunduin sila Yana at Daniel. Doon sila. Tara, silipin natin sila. Ayan, nasaan sila? Ayan si Yana. At si Daniel ay may hawak na polar bear. Magta 2 hours na sila dyan. Hanggang 9:30 sila. It is currently, anong oras na ba? 9:22. So, may 8 minutes pa sila. Si Yana.
Kasi yung nakashoot. Okay.
Ayan si Daniel. Hi! Tapos na sila. How was the ice skating experience?
At first, sobrang pero kapag nag-get into it ka na, sobrang saya.
Masakit sa paa?
Sobrang.
You didn't fall?
Once.
What? How about you, darling? Daniel, how was it? You didn't fall? Wow naman! Kung ako yan, wala na. O, bukas ulit? Ayaw na? Bukas ulit?
Hindi ko po alam.
Daniel, bukas ulit ah. Ay, napagod sila. 2 oras din ng ice skating. Ano, pagod na siya oh. Ayan guys, so finally pauwi na tayo at pagod na tayo sa kakalakad ngayong buong araw na to, no? Anyway, pauwi na kami. Ayan guys, so nandito na tayo sa Enjoy Nostalgia. Hello! Kapit ng dog. Ayan. Okay. Thank you. So let me show you the lobby. Very, very quick. Ayan. Ito yung reception area. And dito naman yung waiting area. Okay. So, akit na tayo sa room natin. Ayan, finally nakabalik na kami dito sa room namin, dito sa Joy Nostalgia Hotel. And as promised, I'm gonna talk more about the Accor Plus membership. Ayan. So, ang Accor Plus membership benefits gives you exclusive benefits across 20 countries, 1,000 hotels, and over 1,400 restaurants in Asia Pacific. It also gives you 10% off public room rates and early access to Accor Hotel events. Tapos, meron din silang member-exclusive escape packages and access to Red Hat rooms to get up to 50% off. Ayan, may kodigo ako para masabi ko lahat sa inyo, ano? And then, sa dining naman, you can get up to 50% off your meal bill and 15% off your drinks bill in Asia. Ayan, so not bad, no? Malaki din ang 50%, can you imagine? Pag dalawa kayo na mag-avail ng breakfast buffet, isa na lang ang babayaran nyo. Katulad ng gagawin namin tomorrow, bukas magbe-breakfast buffet kami ng asawa ko. So, basically, we have to pay for 2, pero dahil member kami ng Accor Plus, isa na lang babayaran namin dahil may 50% discount kapag dalawa kayo. Pag tatlo naman, meron kayong 33% off, then pag apat kayo, 25% off, and so on and so on. Tapos, ang exclusive dito sa Asia, meron kayong 15% off your drinks bill. Dito lang yun sa Asia, no? Then, meron kayong exclusive access to member-only events. And, ano pa ba? Yung Accor Plus membership pala na kinuha namin cost 12,000 pesos per year. Ayan, with the 12,000 pesos per year, you get 1 stay plus complimentary night, which we used. Ito yung ginamit namin na complimentary night today. And then, we availed an additional day for tomorrow. Then, you can also get exclusive dining and accommodation discount. Ano pa ba? Pag ginamit niyo yung Stay Plus Complimentary Night, meron na kayong 20 status nights. Ayan. Yung status nights naman, guys, kapag nakompleto niyo yung 30, ma-upgrade kayo sa gold level. Kami kasi ngayon, since kaka-member lang namin ng Accor Plus, silver level pa lang kami. So, kung nakuha namin ang 30 status nights, or 7,000 status points, ma-upgrade na kami to gold level, which opens up another package of benefits. Basta madadagdagan yung benefits and perks niyo. So, automatically, if you're a silver member, you can get welcome drinks. Like kanina, shout out kay Ma'am Carmela. Thank you so much for the welcome drinks. She gave us 4 since apat kami. And then, we also have 2 welcome drink vouchers sa Accor Plus application. Ayan. So, meron din kayong priority welcome, late checkout. Nag-request ako ng late checkout kay Ma'am Carmela for kailan ba ka? Tuesday ngayon. So, sa Thursday kami mag-checkout. So, usually, ang checkout is 12 noon. Pero kapag member ka ng Accor Plus, you can request for late checkout. And, sabi ni Ma'am Carmela, kung walang magsa-stay dito sa room na to on that day, we can check out around 4 p.m. Other benefits are, of course, the member rates, free Wi-Fi, access to the health club and sports facilities. And that's it. Ayan. So, basically, yun pa lang ang alam ko sa Accor Plus. And it's my first time using the perks and benefits of the membership of Accor Plus. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please don't forget to thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel. This is your Mommy Cat. Now signing off. Till my next one. Bye guys! Mwah. Samahan niyo ulit kami tomorrow kasi tomorrow ipapakita ko kung ano meron sa breakfast buffet. Ayan, tumatawag na ang aking mother na nasa La Union. Okay, bye guys! Mwah.